Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change font styles and messages on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com in your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open the settings menu. Next, click on See All Settings to access all the customization options for your Gmail account. Now, scroll down to the General section and look for the Default Text Style option. This is where you can change the font style for your messages. Click on the Font option to make the changes you want. You can choose from a variety of different fonts and adjust the size and color to create a unique look for your emails. Once you're happy with your choices, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button to apply the new font style to your messages. And that's it! You've successfully changed the font style and messages on Gmail on your PC. Give it a try, and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.